Привет! Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna talk about one of the most important topic in Russian grammar, gender of nouns. Every single noun in Russian, whether it's a person, an object, whatever, has a gender. Masculine, feminine, and neutral. Let's break it down together. Let's start with the basics. A noun is a part of speech that answers the question what, что, and who, кто. If a word answers кто, it usually refers to a person or a living being. If it answers what, it refers to an object, an idea, or concept. Let's practice this with people. Look at the picture. Кто это? Это девочка. And here's кто это? Это мальчик. So both девочка and мальчик answer the question кто because they are people. Now let's look at objects. By the way, if you want to master your Russian, I can help you with personal classes. Your current level and your location doesn't matter. Just text me for a journey to Russian language. Что это? Это магазин. And что это? Это парковка. Магазин и парковка answer the question what? Что? Because they are things. They are not living beings. Here's the key idea. Every noun in Russian has a gender. There are 3 genders in Russian. Он, masculine, она, feminine, оно, neutral. Every noun you learn will belong to these categories, and that's gonna affect how you use adjectives, verbs in the past tense, and pronouns with them. Let's connect this to the people again. Кто он? Кто он? Он мальчик. Мальчик is masculine. Он мальчик. Кто она? Она девочка. Девочка is feminine. Она девочка. This works the same way with names. Кто он? Он Логан. Он Тайлер. Кто он? Он Брэндон. Кто она? Она Эмма. Она Изабелла. Она Джулия. Что оно? Оно метро. Оно радио. Оно кафе. So here's the rule. This rule will help you to define the gender for almost all of the Russian nouns. The ending of the word tells you the gender. Актриса. Она. Книга. Она. Лилия. Она. Дом. Он. Отец. Он. Пульт. Он. Небо. Оно. Солнце. Оно. Лицо. Оно. Let's sum up. If a noun ends in consonant, it's gonna be masculine. Он. If a noun ends in я or а, it's feminine, like лилия or книга. And if nouns ends in о or е, it's neutral. Небо, солнце, море, лицо, окно. Alright, now it's time to practice. We're going to look at the parts of face and use our rule to determine what gender every noun has. Let's get started. Here's the face with different parts. We're gonna go through them and call the gender. Он, она или оно. Лоб. Лоб. Look at the ending. It is a consonant, so it's gonna be on, лоб, on. The next one is glass, glass. Glass ends in consonant, so the same is gonna be masculine. Glass on. Губа, губа. It ends in a, so губа она. Губа она. Подбородок. Yeah, that's the hard one. Подбородок ends in k. K is a consonant, so подбородок он. Подбородок он. Шея. Шея она. Шея она. Бровь. Бровь ends in the soft sign, and actually there is no strict rule of gender identification, and I'm gonna do the next video about this rule, so follow me and stay tuned. Now just remember, бровь, бровь она, бровь она. Ухо, ухо ends in o, so it's оно. Ухо оно. Нос. Nose ends in s. S is a consonant, so nose on. Nose on. And the last one, щека. Щека. Щека ends in a, so it's feminine. Щека она. Щека она. Now it's your turn to practice. Now look at these 9 words. Сыр, хлеб, мясо, яблоко, банан, тарелка, яйцо, молоко, масло. Use the rule that we learned today and decide for each one if it is он, она, or оно. Write in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Пока!